Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this one, I'm going to be showing you how you can cancel your subscription on Canva. So let's say you got tired of using Canva Pro or you just don't have the money to pay for it. I don't have the money to pay for it either. I only have a trial account. But it's still the same nevertheless. So how do you actually cancel your subscription on Canva? It's pretty simple. All you need to do is to head over to your account. On the bottom left corner, you'll see your profile picture there. That's my profile picture. So what you need to do is to click on purchase history over here. And then I don't have anything purchased because I didn't buy any subscription. But you go over here to billing, where you will see the subscription that you have. So this is mine. I have Canva Pro, the only trial. But in order to cancel it, you just need to click on cancel plan over here. And it will ask you, are you sure you want to cancel? Just go and click continue cancellation. So it's pretty simple. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.